Unveiling the deals, the essence of an anniversary sale. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that you might encounter while shopping or browsing through your favorite stores. Anniversary sale. This term is not just about marking a date on the calendar. It's a celebration, a period of exclusive deals and offers. So, let's explore what this phrase truly means and how you can make the most of it. An anniversary sale is a promotional event that commemorates the founding or opening of a business or organization. It's a way for companies to celebrate their success and longevity with their customers. During this time, retailers often offer significant discounts, exclusive products, or special promotions as a way of thanking their patrons and attracting new ones. The sales can last for a day, a week, or even longer, depending on the store's policy. Businesses hold anniversary sales for several reasons. 1. Customer appreciation. To show gratitude to loyal customers who have supported the business over the years. 2. Attracting new customers. Special deals and promotions attract new shoppers looking for discounts. 3. Boosting sales. The limited-time nature of the sale encourages customers to purchase more and purchase quickly. 4. Brand promotion. It's an opportunity for businesses to promote their brand, products, or services more extensively. 1. Plan ahead. Keep track of your favorite store's anniversary dates and plan your shopping around them. 2. Research. Look for previews or announcements about the sale items to strategize your shopping. 3. Set a budget. While deals can be enticing, it's important to shop wisely and within your means. 4. Early bird gets the deal. Some of the best deals might be available in limited quantities. Be early to ensure you get what you want. And that's a wrap on anniversary sales. These events are not just about shopping. They are celebrations of a business's journey and its relationship with customers like you. Whether you're a savvy shopper waiting for the best deals or a business owner planning to host an anniversary sale, understanding the significance of this event can lead to fruitful outcomes. Happy shopping, and here's to celebrating milestones.